Yo, guys, 1 sec. I'll be on in a minute. Give us 30 seconds. Yo, yo, yo. How's it going, guys? Let's see who's here, guys. Basics in. How's it going, bro? Good to see you, man. As always, Sammy, welcome, man. Good to see you. Yeah, let's see who's here, guys. Drop a like, drop a comment. Good to see you all. Yo, Robert, good to see you, man. Welcome. Yeah, let me just get the other... Where are we? Let me just get this going. Sweet. Okay, yeah, so we have got NFP in like 20 minutes. Harry, good to see you, man. Welcome. Hannah, yes, you can. You'll get you should have got like a message saying you'll get a call. That's absolutely fine, Hannah. If you've applied, you'll get contacted. Yeah, so we've just officially launched the one-to-one mentorship. I think there's a couple of spots left. Slots for a call left. So yeah, I mean, the wait list basically ate every single slot up, which I expected it, to be fair, but yeah, the wait list ate like 90% of the slots up for like the next 3 days or the next 2 days or something. So yeah, let's see what Gold's gonna do. How's it going, guys? Good to see you on TikTok. Let's see who's here. Hey Joe Paul, good to see you, man. Welcome. On the 30 on Nas. Oh yeah. Came into a decent level here. Potentially. Let's see what the thing's gonna do. NFP. We've got some high impact news very shortly. Hannah Mason, did you apply with the application for the mentorship? Harry, good stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad sell. I don't mind these half sells at all. I don't mind these half sells at all. They were actually quite clean, Harry. I mean, it's coming to a decent level as well. I mean, you've got a level here. Support acting as resistance now to continue pushing down. They were actually clean. That was a very clean sell. Whoever gets into the mentorship won't be disappointed. Yeah, we've just launched the mentorship again, guys. So if you do want to apply for the mentorship, make sure you get your application in ASAP, as soon as possible, okay? There's only a few spots left to book a call. Spoonfed, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Welcome. Yeah, good to see everyone. This was clean, Harry, and the reason it was clean is because price came up into a level. It showed rejection. It took the highs, rejected the level to push down. That's a very clean trade, man. I'd be happy to take that. Like I said, I've only just got onto the charts now. Let's have a look at what Gold's doing. Gold's having a big push to the upside. Yeah, Gold's having a big push to the upside here. Maybe a little rejection. Then I can maybe take a sell for a little pullback down. But we do have news in 20 minutes. We do have news in 20 minutes. I mean, if gold can maybe come up into some structure on news and reject, Because realistically, gold's just in this big level or this big range. I mean, if it can reject some structure, then I might take some trades, but we'll see. I mean, if it can push up into some structure like this support level, maybe reject it, like it's done on Nasdaq for themselves here, just like it did on here. 1 second, let me show you. Can you see on Nasdaq how it came down? It took the highs, closed bearish, and then started rejecting. Maybe if I can see something similar on gold, because really on Nasdaq, I can see Nasdaq pulling back here. So yeah, sells were actually quite valid there. So I could see the same thing happening on gold if I get that spike higher. But we'll see. I mean, really, what range is gold in currently? I mean, it's in a big range because of the big volume that we've seen today. Especially if you look at the daily instantly pushed down. So we'll see what this 15 wants to do. Yeah, NFP could do. NFP could sell off after this big push higher. I do see that happening. Yeah, good to see you all, guys. Let's see who's here on TikTok. Drop a like as well. Smash the like button, guys. Let's see who's here. Yo, Kyle. Good to see you, mate. Welcome. Are you waiting for NFP? Yes, I will be doing it. It's literally NFP in 15 minutes. But what we're looking for here on NFP is we're selling from this fair value gap down. We're selling from this fair value gap down, and we're looking for this play lower. Okay. ICT said so. So that's the play, guys. It's like 100% strike rate. I mean, it's one of them. It's like, yeah. Basically, what's happened is price has come into this fair value gap. It has to reverse from here. So yeah. I'm only joking. How much is the one-to-one mentorship? Have you applied, Risto? Have you applied, mate? Because, yeah, guys, it has, for those wondering, the one-to-one has just launched like 20 minutes ago. So if you do want to book a slot to have a call and get on it, get on it. Really? The piece nearly done, really? Will the news affect your trade? Thinking about, yeah, no, not really, mate. So I'm basically just going to wait for the news to come out in 15 minutes, and then I'm going to be looking for direction. Okay. Jacob, I'm so ill. I hope you get better soon, Jacob. Craig, good to see you, mate. Good to see you, bro. It's ironic because back in the day, Roger used to say huge candle is, one sec, huge candle is a pass means it should push. Potentially. Potentially. I mean, I trade with volume. I trade with closures and with direction. So I actually do. At the end of the day, guys, you're taught, I think a lot of people from an early, when they first start trading, they say, oh, you should try and sell high, or you should try and buy low. And this is, a lot of people try to buy the highs, sell the highs and buy the lows like this. And a lot of the time, price doesn't do this. A lot of the time, price will continue pushing. So for me personally, I'd rather buy if the momentum's pushing higher, and I'd rather sell and price pushes lower if the momentum's pushing lower, okay? Because, you know, a lot of the time you think price is going to reverse and it doesn't, and it's just to trap retail, okay? Retail traders try to catch tops and bottoms. I'm there to just trade with momentum and react to the market, okay? Hi, Joe. Yo, Duncan. Good to see you, mate. Good to see you. I mean, Harry, that was a clean position, bro. That was a clean position. What news? Got NFP, mate, in 14 minutes, 13 minutes. Thanks for being here, Joe. All good, mate. No problem. We're here. Da, da, da. Let's have a look. Yo, yeah, Duncan, good to see you, man. Yeah, welcome everyone who's just tuning in. Welcome. Vim, welcome. Do you do trading as a full-time job? Yeah, I've been a full-time trader for like 2.5 years now, guys. Yeah, I left my full-time engineering job like 2.5 years ago. I got a few payouts and then I quit. And then I went traveling in Thailand. Restore, there's different offers, mate. Have you booked applied for the mentorship? If you've applied, you'll be able to book a call. If you apply, you'll be able to book a call, and then the offers will be told to you then. Because there's different things for what you need. Yeah, I'm out now. Yeah, clean trade, man. I mean, it's clean. What website? This is TradingView. Yeah, this is TradingView. I mean, I'm not in this. That was just a member, a guy in the mentorship took this. It was valid though. It was a valid trade. Yo, Oliver, good to see you, man. Welcome. So I will be whacking 70 cons on a sell. Nah, mate. Don't be doing that. Just trade your combines and your challenges correctly. I mean, if you want to have a little gamble, if you're profitable and you want to have a little gamble, maybe, but I mean, don't be gambling if you're unprofitable and not consistent. It's just not good for the psychology, is it? If you just keep blowing accounts for no reason. Jump on this guy, he's good. Yeah, appreciate that, Craig. Nice one. I tell you what, that entry that we were talking about before, we were having a joke, but I mean, it's rejecting. Bought 2 fresh amounts. Good stuff, bro. All the best, mate. I mean, hopefully we can get some decent PA after NFP. Jacob, are you meant to trade news on fundeds? I personally just trade. I've not got any. I've got like 1 combine that I trade, but I'm not trading it today. Yeah, fair enough, bro. Yeah, if 50 is nothing to you, you're cool. What my thoughts about news trading? I personally don't news trade. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm pure price action. The only reason I say I'm 10% news is because I stay like I don't trade 15 minutes before news and 15 minutes after news. Because from my like back testing and forward testing, I find like 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after high impact news is when most of my trades get wicked out and I take stop losses. So that's just me and my data that I've seen over like 2 to 3 years of, you know, of back testing and forward testing. Like most of my losses from news or around news came that 15 minutes before or 15 minutes after. So it's not like I'm just randomly coming up with a 30-minute section where I don't trade around news. It's all data. Can I come to your office and trade with you for the day? I don't know. I've only got this office for another month before I leave the UK. Just join the 1-to-1, bro. Just join the 1-to-1 mentorship. Yeah, we're going to be here for the next hour and 15, hour and 20, guys. I mean, about for 1. What do you mean, Ollie? What do you mean, Oliver? Yeah, I'm in an office here, guys. I've rented this office for like the last 6 months. It's a big office, to be fair. It's about £400 a month. Yeah, about £400 a month. Why not trade from home? I don't know. I like having my own sort of place where I do work and stuff. Yeah. Where is my man going? Ooh, I don't know yet. I'm still in the process of understanding who, understanding where to go. Typical 9 to 5. Addy, what do you mean, bro? Feels like I'm doing a job. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Because I'm not here. I can do what I want. I can come when I want. I'm not here for 10 hours a day. I can come. I can leave when I want. I can go home when I want. It's still freedom. It's still freedom. Have you decided Thailand? I don't know yet, bro. Put some in the chat where you think I should go. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going yet. There's a few places I have in mind. I'll decide after Christmas. But yeah, we're seeing that push now on gold here. I mean, if Nasdaq can stay within this range here and break out after news, then I'd be looking for trades, because there is still some good targets. You know, we're starting to create some support here, and we actually are starting to create some resistance above. So if I can break out of this range now after news, then I'll be looking for some trades, because there is some good liquidity above and below. No, I'm not from London. I'm near Manchester, mate. Yeah. Yeah, I'm near Manchester. I'm new here. Good to see you. Cyprus. Yeah, good shout. Cyprus is a good shout. How about news? Yeah, I'm going to wait 5 minutes until news, and then I'll look to trade after it. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the hopefully it doesn't mess the charts up. Let's see anyway. Bro's on 10k. Yeah, he's going anyway. Benefit. Yeah, 10k a month. Yeah. Let me move this up so I can see everything better. What's going on here? Explain things. But yeah, so basically, this is my analysis. So basically, all I find is a recent resistance and a recent support in the market, just like this. And I simply just wait for breakouts of these ranges. So we have got news, which is in 5 minutes. I'm going to let this candle close, let news come out, let it do its thing, and then I'm going to be looking for entries around this structure. Okay. From Australia. Yeah. Potentially buys, I think, on news. Potentially. I mean, look at this volume. Potentially we get a little pullback and continuation. But we'll see. Guys, what does everyone else think news is going to do? Bullish or bearish? Put in the chat, up or down. Do you think it's going to go up, or do you think it's going to down? Let's see. Down. I mean, this 30, if news wasn't around the corner, I'd be looking to buy this 30. I mean, yeah. Bullish. Everyone's bullish. Everyone's bullish. Da, 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 da. Guys, one sec. Let me just sort something out. Right, we're good. Yeah, we're good. We got news now. News in 3. Yeah, we got news in 2 minutes here, guys. So yeah, let's see what happens. I personally think it's going to have a quick push up on gold. Maybe a little push up to take some more liquidity, but we'll see. Let's see what's going to happen here on gold, guys, and then we can start. I'm going to start looking for entries after, okay? Start looking for entries after. I use the 15 and 30, mate. I use both the 15 and 30. 70 cons, let's have it. Good luck, bro. Expecting lower. Nice. Yeah, let's see what news does. We've got a minute here, guys. Let's just let news do its thing, and then I'm happy to look for entries again. Gold dump? Yeah, potentially. I mean, I would like for gold to come into this structure here. I mean, if we come into this level and reject it, 15-minute closure on news, maybe some sells. Maybe some sells then. User, do you have a community? I've got a free Telegram in the TikTok bio. Yeah, I've got a free Telegram in the TikTok bio. If you want to join the mentorship, I've just launched it today. The new mentorship's just been launched. If you want to get on the mentorship, head over to the TikTok bio. It will say one-to-one mentorship. Click that. It'll take you to my website to apply. Once you've applied, you'll be able to book a call and get on. How much? It depends. It all depends on what you need. Best thing to do is just apply through the link and book a call, and you can get on it. And we'll work it around because there's different offers for you. Do you expect price to go lower? I mean, gold. Well, the news has just come out for gold here, so best thing to do is just wait for this candle to do its thing, and then I'm going to be looking for potential entries. Yeah, look at that. What a push. Yeah, what a push. That momentum's just continuing here. I mean, if this 15 can close bearish, rejecting this structure here, then yeah, maybe I can take some sells. If not, hourly closure above for buys because there's still liquidity above here, look. Because you need to imagine anybody selling NFP from this level here, where they're going to have the stop losses, possibly on these highs, looking for a play down like this. So I expect a lot of liquidity to be sitting above here. So I think I'm going to be looking to target these highs. Okay. That's the plan here. So if I can get like a 30 or an hourly closure above, the plan for me would be NFP to continue bullish. And then I can look to trade it into that liquidity. Okay. But I need a closure above this level first. Yeah, news is out. News is out. Mm-mm. So much news today. Yeah, we have. We've got a lot of news today. So best thing for me to do is wait for this closure, and then I can look for a bullish continuation. Expect lawyer. Yeah, you can't really trade news like this. The only thing I can really do is wait for the 15 and hourly to close, and then I can look to trade that direction. Good news for gold. Yeah. The news just spiked the market. Yeah, I mean, if the 15 will tell me everything here, and the hourly will tell me everything as well. So if the hourly closes bullish, I'd expect the next hourly to maybe bottom wick and then continue pushing like this. But like I said, that all depends on what this hourly close is like. 15's just instantly pushed higher, which tells me this liquidity wants to get taken. Okay. Can you zoom out? Yeah, if you want to watch the full screen, head over to Joe Trades on YouTube. Head over to Joe Trades on YouTube. My full screen's on there. I can only show this on TikTok, unfortunately. Especially when price is so bullish. Close 600 away from passing 2 of ours. Legend. W's, man. W's. How do you adjust your stop line and profit line? Paul, do you mean when I'm in a trade? It depends. What are you using as well? What software to enter? Do I trade NQ? Yes, I do. I do trade NQ. Yeah, I trade NQ I do trade NQ on the 15 and 30 breakouts too. So I trade NQ the exact I trade NQ the exact way that I trade gold. Nothing changes. I mean, the worst thing that you can do is have different strategies for different pairs. I think anyway. So basically the game plan for me now is just to see how this hourly closes, maybe the 15 as well. Maybe I can look for a little wick fill just to continue this momentum upon news. Because if I get a closure like this, I'd expect before price continues lower, I'd expect this wick to get filled, especially if I close bullish. So I'm just going to look for that little play higher. You know, it's not a little play, it's like 100 ticks. But if I get a closure like so, the close above this range will tell me that price potentially wants to continue pushing higher. Okay, something like this. Okay, that would be the plan. Definitely, it's definitely looking decent here, especially gold. I might try and play a little impulse buy if I can break above this level here. I mean, the more bullish I close, the better. But I might try a little, you know, a little bullish impulse entry buy. Wickfill will be the first target, and then I'll look for continuation. It does look like we're going to go on enter. Yeah, I mean, I do think we're going to continue. Look at the momentum on gold here. The momentum's pushing higher. I mean, 30 looks like it's going to close bullish. Hourly's pushing higher. 15 is closing above this range. So I'll look for a little wickfill and then continuation. It depends how this new 15 opens. Yeah, depends how this new 15 opens. But I mean, I'm zoomed out as much as I can. We have got structure to the left here that I'm watching, but we'll see. Yeah, cheers for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Cheers for the likes and the follows. I appreciate you all. If you haven't already, guys, smash a like, smash a follow. Any questions, put it in the chat. You ever going to move out the UK? Yes, I did. I lived away from the UK for 2 years. I lived in Thailand, Vietnam, Bali, like other parts of Asia as well. So yeah, you know, like when I first got profitable and started getting decent payouts, you know, what 1, 2, 3K a month, I literally left the UK for like 2 years. I came back about 6 months ago and I got an office in the UK and I'm leaving again in a month. So yeah. But I always say that to everybody. When you start seeing some consistency, go and live free. You know, go and see what trading, go and enjoy life and trade for a couple of hours a day and live for, you know, 3 to 4 months. Go and live that free life. 3 to 4 months of getting payouts and you can see what trading can do for your life. It's crazy. Just put in like 6 to 12 months of work, whether it's with me or whether it's with another mentor. Just put in that work, 4 to 6 months, and you can live free for the rest of your life. It's crazy. And people quit after like 1 to 2 weeks. Can you teach me how to get profitable? Yes. If you want to join the mentorship, link in the TikTok bio. The one-to-one mentorship has literally just been officially launched about an hour ago. There's only a couple of slots left for calls as well. So if you do want to book on, make sure you apply, book a call, and you can enroll and start being on the mentorship. Just head over to the TikTok bio. It'll say when you click that link in my TikTok bio, one-to-one mentorship. Just scroll down. It'll say apply now. Press apply, fill it out, and you've applied. You'll be able to book a call. I think there's like a couple of spots left for this week if you want to get the call done this week. I mean, I think like 25, 30 spots went in like an hour, which is crazy. Not, yeah, but yeah, crazy. Big wick on Nas. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at Nasdaq. What a rejection. What a rejection. You've got accounts pretending to be you. Yeah. I mean, there's probably about 30 to 40 accounts fakes of me. Just make sure you're following this account, guys, and you're fine. If you follow this account, you're good. Look at that rejection. That's big liquidity. Guys, should I tell you the reason, right? I know a lot of people don't want to know why this has created a wick. Let me tell you exactly why we've created a wick here. Okay? So, if you think about it like this, think about trading like stop order. What is this? One sec. All right, there we go. Think of trading like stop orders in the market. Wherever stop losses are, that's where the orders are sitting. Okay? So anybody selling Nasdaq up here or down here at this level, where they're going to have the stop losses? They're going to have the stop losses above this high, and they're going to have the stop losses above this high to the left here. Okay? So for price to continue pushing down, what does it need to do? It needs to come up, take liquidity. Once it's taken liquidity, then can it push down? So if we look at what Nasdaq's done here, it's literally just one big stop hunt of everybody's, all retail traders' stop losses. When you can understand where retail traders' stop losses are sitting, that's when you can start taking profits or consistent profits from this market, because you understand where price is likely to go. Okay? And it's the same with gold. What am I looking for on gold here? Well, I understand that there's a lot of orders sitting up here on these highs. If I understand there's a lot of orders sitting on these highs, I'm going to be looking to buy into them highs. Simple as that. If I can get that closure. Doesn't look like it yet, though. We'll see. I mean, even if this 15 rejects bearish, I might look for a little pullback sell before continuations higher. Nasdaq going down to 2400. Yeah, potentially, mate. I mean, it has taken liquidity. There's nothing to say that this can't push down further. I mean, I'm even open to a little sell if we can break below this level. Is the Telegram free? Yeah, if you want the free Telegram, TikTok bio as well. Check gold. No, I'm going to watch... won't let me load it. Once you've pressed the link or... press the 3 dots in the top right corner and open in browser. It'll let you join it then. Yeah, gold's not broke above cleanly yet. What's going on in the Telegram? Just the link so you don't miss any live streams. Yeah, so in the free Telegram, you've got like all my YouTube free content and all my TikToks that get posted, any like announcements or updates, like when I release new mentorships or when I open more spots for the one-to-one. Yeah. Is the one to... I got an insane entry. Nice. Where'd you get your entry from? Oh, the free Telegram, yeah, is... What's my thoughts on prop trading? Amazing. I mean, if you want to make money if you want to go full-time in trading, guys, the best time to lock in is now. Like, I was locked in when it wasn't even so easy to make money prop firm trading. Like, if you're not locked in now... If you're not locked in now with prop firm trading, I mean, Because you need to understand as well, like when I was learning to trade like 6 years ago, it must have cost me like $500 for a 100k challenge. Like you can get a 150k instant funded challenge for like £300 now, or instant funding account for like £300, and you can take like 3.5k from that, which is crazy. You could never do that back then. Could never do that back then. Like put it this way, I withdrew like 22k in 3 months off one prop firm with just like two accounts. Like, just puts it into perspective of what you can do in a short space of time when you lock in and get profitable. Better off just trading real money? I mean, yeah, if you've got it. I mean, if you haven't got like thousands and thousands to put into a real account, it's going to be difficult for a lot of people. Have I ever used my funded futures? No, mate. Never. I use Top Step and Top One. Yeah, them are the main ones I use. All right, guys, I'm going to wait for this 15 closure here on gold because that will be the hourly close as well. If the hourly can close above this range, that'll be the 15 closing above 2, then I can take some buys. I've been following for 2 years now and you're one of the only real ones out there. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, I really do. Yeah, we've been trading live now for like 1.5 years now on TikTok and YouTube. Sure have, yeah, sweet, bro. It's good to see you still here, man. I remember you from the start as well. Have I been I've been trading for like 6-7 years now. Since I was like 18. I'm 25 now. Do you make your entry on the 15-minute time frame? 15 and 30 mainly. Yeah, 15 and 30. Joe, yeah, what is it, mate? What do you want? Oh, what is it? What's your question? Call, it depends. Is it call? If it's call, it depends, mate. There's a few different options. See, if this 15 can close above this range, I'm going to be looking for buys here. Yeah, if I can get a 15 closure above here, I'm going to be looking for buys. Basically, first sort of target. First target's going to be these highs and then looking for continuation. If I can get a closure above. All right. Where's your OB, bro? I don't trade order blocks, mate. I was only joking before. Don't take it seriously. I don't trade order blocks. I don't trade fair value gaps. I trade breakouts of ranges. Where's my entry? I'm waiting for this 15 closure. If I get this 15 closure bullish, then I'm going to be looking for buys. Just looked at Top Step only futures. Yeah, but futures, the gold futures is fine. Gold futures is basically the same as FX futures, gold futures. Yeah, guys, any questions, get it in the chat. How many have we got tuning in here? We've got 60 on YouTube. Drop a thumbs up on YouTube as well, guys, if you haven't already. Same on TikTok. Good to see you all here. If you haven't already, smash a like on the TikTok, smash a follow. Let's have a look. Yeah, NQ's dropping here. We kind of expected it, but I mean, it created a big top wick here. I mean, gold's pushing higher, so there is potential. Sup, bro? Yo, Syndicate, how's it going? Good to see you, mate. Yeah, so reason for this level, you can see that it's got clear support here. Look, support, acting as resistance a little bit. If it closes above, I'm just going to be looking for a wick fill higher. So like 50, 60 tick push. If it wants to push. It could mess about near new, so I'm only going to be using low risk, but we'll see. Let's see. I need a strong clause here. I mean, Nasdaq's pushing down as well. See how that closes. Maybe some sells to the downside, especially after this hourly closure. I could expect that. But really, you know, 15-minute. If the 15-minute close is bullish here, I think it can continue higher. Are there other accounts? Yes, there are. Make sure you're following this account and you're good. If you're following this account, there's no need to worry about the fake ones. Yo, Tucker, bro. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Respect the analysis, Joe. Yeah, Ricky, all good, man. Ricky, good to see you in the chat again. You live trading right now? Yes, I am, MK. If I see a potential setup, I'll look for it. And I'm going to watch this 15 closure here. And then I'm going to be looking for buys into that liquidity that we mentioned. Look, all the way up here. All the way up here. You have a Discord? Yeah, I have a mentorship. I've literally just relaunched it now. If you do want to join the launch of the mentorship, like I said, there's a few slots to book a call left. Head over to the link in the TikTok bio, and it'll come up saying mentorship or one-to-one mentorship. The second one down. Fill out that form, and you can apply. What strategy do I use? I use breakouts of ranges into liquidity. How do you determine where the liquidity is? So basically, you need to understand liquidity equals stop orders. Where do you think more stop orders are sitting? That is where the liquidity is sitting. And normally, liquidity sits at highs and lows in the market. So let's say that price has done something like this, okay? And let's say that price is coming into a level. Anybody going long here at this level, where they're going to have the stop losses at these lows. So that just builds liquidity under here. So I look to trade into that liquidity. And it's just the same now, look. Okay, look at 1 second. Look at gold now. Gold's pushing bullish. Look at the liquidity. This is where more stop orders will be sitting. I'm going to be looking to buy into that high. Okay. That's the plan. I tried breaking it down super quick there, but yeah, I've only got 2 minutes until this closes, so we'll see. I mean, I'd like for this to continue pushing bullish, but we'll see. Hourly on NAS. Yeah, I think NAS could have a little push down as well. I mean, the close does look strong, but I mean, it's already very, very oversold. It's very far gone. Let's see, maybe a little bottom wick. I might try like a little 2 micro contracts. Nothing crazy because it's NFP's just gone, but I mean, there is some liquidity sitting here that I expect to come and get taken. Maybe I can get a little buy into them highs. Maybe a quick buy, have like a bit of a deeper stop loss if it flips. But I wouldn't be surprised if I did get chopped out here. You know, just got NFP out of the way. I mean, when's the next news as well? We've got news in 45 minutes as well. Yeah, we've got news in 45, but we'll see. Maybe I just use a little bit of a deeper stop loss. Look for that little wick fill into there, 56 ticks and be done. Where's my stop loss? Stop loss is that shaded area. Yeah, stop loss is this shaded area here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that instant push. Yeah, I'd be looking for these highs to get taken on this push higher. Maybe if I can get a bottom wick for this to continue pushing like this. I mean, it depends how big this stop loss is going to be to the flip higher. 21 tick stop loss to 30 ticks. I mean, hourly is very weak on Nasdaq. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. This is Nasdaq here. This is gold. I'm not in anything just yet. I mean, into them highs, what have I got? 38 ticks. It's not bad. I mean, I do see it having a quick spike higher. It is a risky trade if I do look to enter it. Then if it re-breaks that high, how much would I be risking there? Not much. Maybe like 3 micros is good. And then if it does reflip bullish, then I'll get executed in it. If it doesn't, then that'll be the position. I mean, if it comes down and starts pushing even lower, then you gotta ask yourself, like, is it even worth it? So where's TP? TP's up here. Let's see if it's gonna give a quick spike higher. I mean, maximum my stop loss is gonna be if it creates a new low here. If it creates a new low here, I'll just cancel the order. But I'm really looking for this to flip, create a new high, and continue pushing. Possible management will be like this shaded area. It's just trying to go with that hourly. It's just trying to go with that hourly continuation. I'm only risking like $80 or something. It's a very, very small risk position. But it's just trying to go with that hourly continuation. Because news has just come out. It's bullish. If it's going to continue, yeah, I might be trying to buy it quite high. I do understand that, but it's a valid trade. Yeah, I've been managing this quite quickly because I don't really want to. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna go break even on this quite quickly. There we go. Yeah, I'm in this position, guys. I'm going break even because we have got news around the corner. There we go. There we go. And we are out. TP smashed. W's in the chat. 55 ticks there. Beautiful, guys. That was literally like 45 ticks in seconds. Beautiful. I think we made about $320 there. Beautiful trade. Yeah, beautiful trade. Yeah, $325 made there. Easy 90 quid. Yeah, W's, guys. Beautiful trade. Yep, that's the trade. Done. Done. NFP day done. I mean, the bag's been made. We're back on winning ways. If you caught that, get your W's in the chat. Let me see who's took it. Beautiful. We've got 300 people tuning into the lives. That was a beautiful position. TP's been smashed. Yeah, that was quick. It was a quick W. That's what we do. We're in and out. We react to the market. We react to the market and we take W's. Guys, if you want to learn the exact strategy that I'm teaching right now, what I'm trading right now in front of you, try and join the one-to-one and learn. Join the mentorship and learn what I do. I've literally just reopened it today. This was a 2-to-1, mate. 2 risk to reward. Yeah, TP smashed quickly there. Quick TP there. How much is it? Yeah, just apply in the click the link in the TikTok bio. It says one-to-one mentorship. Just apply because there's different offers for different people. Like people need different things. So there's not like one price. Like it depends. Like there's different months, different levels. So the best thing to do is just apply, book a call, and then yeah. Anybody here who wants to join the mentorship, let me put the link in here for you. There you go, guys. Links there for you all. Push without time to explain. Yeah, that was a quick W, to be fair. Quick W. Can't complain with that at all. I mean, I'm happy with that. We've got news in... Oh, my phone's died. Yeah, I took about 100 what's that noise? 111 times 3, so 133. How many ticks exactly? 70. Well, no, I weren't. I got out just above this high here, so like 55 ticks. So it was about a 1.6 to 1. So how much do I trade? I'm currently trading like around 700k in prop firm funding. Ollie, what's the question mark for, bro? What's the question mark for? Yeah, we brought that trade down perfectly. Just a 15-minute entry there. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm already out, Ollie. I bought here. I bought all the way down here. And I'm out. Yeah, in and out on this one. Beautiful trade. Very, very clean. How did I determine the stop loss? Stop loss is just below the level. Below the level of where the flip candle is. So yeah, it's safe there. It's safe. Yeah, this is a 15-minute and hourly time frame entry. Yeah, 15 and... Yeah. It's not trading, you're scalping, bro. First of all, my trades, the time I enter and close a position depends on what the market gives me. Sometimes I'm in the market like this. I've taken 50 ticks in a few minutes. You've just probably joined and seen me take a win and jump to the conclusion that I'm scalping because you've seen one trade. But I'm sometimes in trades for 15, 20, 30 minutes intraday. So no, I'm not scalping every time. This was just a quick in and out trade. Sometimes I'll be in trades for 5-10 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. It depends. I trade the market. Yeah, this was a clean trade, this. Very, very clean trade. Guys, make sure you're dropping a follow on this account as well. I'm live every single day, and I'll be live tomorrow too. Okay? I'll be live tomorrow too. Da, 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 da. People come in the lives and know how to trade better than you. Yeah. People who join the lives seen like yesterday I took like negative 11 ticks or something. Today we've done plus 55. And before that loss, we took 7 wins in a row. So 7 wins in a row, 1 loss, and then back to a win. So I can't complain. But I'm done, guys. I'm done. We've got news in 35 minutes. That's me until like 3 o'clock. So I'm probably going to be done for the next hour. Okay, guys. So trade for that freedom. If you've taken a W, you've got that freedom. You got that freedom to do what you want now, guys. But yeah, that's me. Great win there, to be honest. Can't complain with that. A very quick in and out position. Done for the day. Joe, can you explain the trade? Yeah, I'll explain it really quickly for you, mate. So basically, gold came into this level here, and I was waiting for a break above this level because I understood that there was a lot of people who was looking to sell gold would have their stop loss on this liquidity above. So because of that, and because of this closure above this range, and because it took liquidity and closed above on the hourly too, I took buys from here into that liquidity. So it was basically just a breakout into the highs, understanding liquidity. All right. I mean, yeah, it was a very, very quick in and out trade. But yeah, it made me about $330 on relatively small risk. Especially for NFP in December. I mean, I used three micros. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Peace out, much love. W's in the chat. Drop a follow. If you want to join the mentorship, it's just been released. Drop me a message if you want more info on it. I can get you to where you want to be. You can start learning my strategy and start getting consistent, guys. 2026, make it your year. take action, take the step and push, you know, let's crush it, you know. 5 to 6 months can really change your life, especially with this strategy, okay? So if you want more info, if you just want to apply, link in the description. Or just drop me a message on TikTok, whatever. But other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace out. W's. Bye-bye. Mm-hmm.